Ullr Part 2. That's Denali. 1999, that amazing road trip that I took right after Woodstock ended. That's Ullr right there. That's Ullr in the back of the truck that I drove him up to Alaska. We went up in. Today being September 25th. He passed away 26 years ago. So when I buried him on the Yukon River, I had to load him into the back of the truck. And I mentioned that in Remembering Ullr Part 1 and in my song that you haven't seen yet. That I show you the truck he traveled. That's what I drove to Alaska in, that rig right there.